the superannuation industry is warning about another unintended consequence brought on by the government's capital gains tax changes. It's a bit complicated, but basically super invested through a managed investment trust could face a higher tax bill. James, basically, we have all this money in our super and there could be a higher percentage taxed than before the budget, based on the CGT changes.
That's right, Nat. And the key takeout is that there's really, you could argue it's very difficult to avoid Labor's wide sweeping changes which have impacted young people that want to invest in shares, property investors, anyone that wants to take risk in this country, but they've repeatedly assured us that superannuation would be off limits and they will protect super, and the next election will be about fighting against super and anyone that wants to target it. The reality is, for people that invest through these MITs, these trust structures, they're going to be paying a whole lot more tax effectively, and it could impact people that have self-managed funds and smaller funds rather than the big guys as well. So this is also so complicated. I don't think anyone realised the full blow of the consequences.
Yes, we haven't got a government comment. We've got a comment from Treasury saying the changes would be open to consultation, which is sort of the basis of the government's announcements through most of the budget, and it's hard to understand, isn't it?
It is hard to understand, but again, this is looking at an extra tax rate for targeted, like smaller funds, self-managed funds, and I think Labor will be quick to jump on this because they keep saying that this next election is going to be a referendum on superannuation. Now, I don't think that's necessarily the case. I think that Australians support compulsory superannuation. All of the data tells us that, but we have seen One Nation come out and question that. We've seen the Coalition do the same. I think Labor will jump on this quick, smart, and be trying to close these loopholes and engage in that consultation.